Alright, so now we're gonna talk about the PHP constants. What's the constant? So, and define constant. Alright, so well, we come down here and we put a h3. So we put a PHP. How are we going to define our constant? Define constants. Alright, so what I'll do is that I'm going to put it in comment box. So how we define our constants. Alright, so as a PHP developer, you guys need to be aware that there is something called define, and it says name here, and say define my name, and you guys need to put a value here. What's the value of define my name? Say for example, I'm going to put my name is Yazdani. Alright, so now we close this, and we're gonna put an echo, and we put a my name. Alright, so now if you see here, we define my name and my name. That's a value, or the first one is defined, and this one's the value of this constant. And why we put a uppercase? Because constants in PHP are always uppercase. Okay, and once you set the value of the constant, so constants is always uppercase. So when the PHP sees this as a constant, and you guys already define, make sure in PHP you guys need to define all your variables and all whatever you guys do, because PHP is not going to accept anything undefined. So it's like a C, C++, C#, Java. You guys need to predefine your variables. Alright, so now it's my name, and we're gonna run this. Okay, so we run this and we see that my name is Yazdani. Okay, you don't see the top ones because we put a comment, this all comment, as I've explained to you guys, and we see this, that my name is Yazdani, because we defined that's a name, and that's a value of this defined method here. So if you guys look at here, define is also already inbuilt in PHP, and it's very important. If you guys know this is one of the basics. So when we come here and it says that my name is Yazdani, you guys can put anything you guys like. You guys can put the name of your pet, that my pet, or my car. Say for example, my car, say my car is Toyota, for example. And when you guys come here, because we put a my name, my car, we need to put a my car here as well. There's a change, and see you guys, we made a mistake here, my name, because PHP sees that use undefined constant my name, assume my name, and will allow error in the future version of PHP, because this is PHP is not going to accept when you guys define my car and you guys gonna put a my name. So if whenever you guys want to echo this one with the name and then value, you guys need to put exactly same matching name here. So you guys put a my car and my car. When we run this, and it says this change to my car is Toyota. So the reason we put a constant, because we don't want the value to get changed. I'm going to show you guys in the future videos how we're going to change the value in PHP, mutable and unmutable variables. So right, so if you guys got any question or comment, just leave it in comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.